Are you tired of constantly updating your YouTube live chat embed URL every time you go live? It can be such a hassle, right? Well, today we're going to solve that problem once and for all. I completely understand your frustration. Having to change the video ID manually for every new live stream can be a real pain. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many content creators face the same issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I create a permanent URL for my YouTube live chat that works for all my streams without changing the video ID each time? This is a common concern, and we're here to find a solution. To understand the issue, let's break it down. The embed URL for the live stream works perfectly, but the live chat URL requires a video ID that changes with each stream. This means you need a way to dynamically update that video ID without manual intervention. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I will share a simple script that can automate this process for you. You won't want to miss it. To create a permanent live chat embed for YouTube, the user will first need to set up a simple HTML page. This page will include an iframe for the live stream and another iframe for the live chat. Next, the user should add a JavaScript function to dynamically update the live chat URL. This function will extract the current video ID from the live stream URL. Now the user should call this function whenever the page loads. This ensures that the live chat iframe is updated with the correct video ID each time a new stream starts. Finally, the user can test their setup by opening the HTML page in a web browser. They should see both the live stream and the live chat working together seamlessly. Fun fact, did you know that YouTube was originally created as a dating site? Imagine that. Now it's the go-to platform for live streaming and content creation. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution is to use the YouTube live streaming API. This allows you to retrieve the live stream ID automatically, so you don't have to change the video ID manually for each new stream. You can find a PHP example on how to retrieve a channel's video streams. This example shows how to access the live stream ID, which you can then use for your live chat. Additionally, the API provides access to live broadcasts, which includes a live chat ID. This can help you manage chat messages in various formats. And there you have it. With just a little bit of JavaScript, you can automate the process of updating your live chat embed URL. This will save you time and effort for every stream. Congratulations! You now have a solution to keep your YouTube live chat embedded without the hassle of changing video IDs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.